Hey friends, have you any time wondered why you keep attracting a lot of struggle, pain in relationships, miseries, illnesses, and financial crisis in your life? Why, despite putting a lot of efforts, you still don't get the desired outcomes? Why your manifestation keeps failing constantly? To know the answer and solution of this problem, stay with me till the end of this video. Friends, whenever you are vibrating at a lower vibrational frequency, you cannot attract any positive life goal that is vibrating at a higher frequency. The law of manifestation says that when you want to attract or manifest anything positive in your life, your energy must be positive and your vibrational frequency must be higher. However, when you experience negative emotions like stress, anxiety, depression, anger, regret, guilt, jealousy, and so on over and again, your energy becomes negative and your vibrational frequency becomes lower, and hence your manifestation fails. So the first step to speed up your manifestation process is to shed all your emotional poisons. But can you do that without any spiritual background, without years of practice of meditation, or without any mind power experience? Well, the answer is yes. You can do it by joining my 5-day emotional detox workshop, wherein I will help you to not only know your negative emotions, their effects, but also you will be empowered with the tools and techniques to shed all your negative emotions, to create the state of manifestation, to maintain it, and to enhance your self-love without any spiritual skills and with an investment of just rupees 399. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, enroll for this workshop, and I will see you there. Lots of love and blessings.